Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix SIM card not working or SIM card contacts not showing problem in Realme 8s or 8s 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So if you are facing SIM card problem in Realme 8s or 8s 5G, so first of all you just need to go to settings. So first open settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.